we've done an oil change on the 55. Also too, we've rebuilt the starter motor, greased it and sort of put some armature paint back on it that had actually burnt off. So hopefully now that when we go to start it, it will just start. So it's a big question at the moment. So yeah, this we've done an oil change on it, but the oil will probably get really sooty and dirty very quickly. So we noticed when we drained the oil out, it was very sooty and dirty. So it's probably going to be a good idea to run the car for a bit with the new oil in it. Just probably do 100 k's and dump it, and then put some new oil in it again. It might seem to most people as a bit of a waste of time, but these things, they soot up quite badly because they don't have a very good cleaning system. What I mean by cleaning system, they don't have a PCV valve. Basically what they have in the back of the engine is a pipe that dumps down to the ground. So that's the only way that this thing evacuates any gases from inside the engine. I like to put a PCV valve in them and run that back into the carburetor, and that way it cleans all the air and makes sure that the engine has nice clean air in the engine at all times, because it's just drawing that exhaust fumes out of the oil. And also too, the breather caps, they just pull the nice cool air down over the valve springs and stuff like that, so that helps keep everything nice and cool. So yeah, emission stuff isn't all bad, so most of it's pretty good.
So you're going to go start this car. Let's see if it works.
Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed?
I think it will start.
Fingers crossed. Okay.
So
let's see if it makes all the right noises.
it'll make all the right noises.
Oh my God, that was awesome.
Well, that started real well.
That was like really, really awesome.
Hang
that
on.
was,
I still don't believe it. I'm going to try it again.
Let's try it again. Don't push your luck. Come on. Good job.
That's pretty good.
Beautiful. Little bit of maintenance. Yep, very good. Okay, still smells.
Well, it's...
Still got old fuely.
Well, actually, I should have run it and got oil pressure in it. I'll do that because I only just started.
You turned it off.
Yeah,
All right.
I turned it off. So I'll start again, get oil pressure up.
That starter motor's not labouring at all. That's really good. That's awesome. Awesome.
You know what you're not going to believe as well, maybe?
What?
It's got more oil pressure.
Oh yeah, well it's got oil in it that's actually oil, not water.
What I might do is I might undo.
What we might do is we might drive this car outside, and because it's so hot, we might go get changed into our togs and go for a swim at the beach.
Sounds
That's
good.
what we might do.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. If you like this video, don't forget to click like and leave a comment. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe and click the notification bell. If you like the t-shirts that you see the crew wearing, there's a link in the description below where you can grab some for yourself. Thanks for watching.
just need a little bit of lubrication on it, maybe.
A little bit of lube.
So.
Well, the older we get, the more lube we need, eh?
Yes.
In our joints, and I was talking about your joints.
In our joints, yes.
Yes, in our joints.
That's exactly what I was thinking.
That's why you have fish oil. You are not.